A minimalist bedroom doesn't just look stylish, it promotes relaxation and helps clear your mind. The best part, you don't need a big budget to achieve this serene, clutter-free look. Here are 10 minimalist bedroom ideas to help you create your dream space on a budget. Minimalism begins with allowing ourselves to let go of the excess. Take a look around us. How many items are just piling up and rarely used? One of the first steps on the minimalist journey is to donate or sell items that are no longer used. Not only will it benefit others, but it will also clear the space around us. For the bedroom, we can start by keeping only the essentials. For example, a comfortable bed, a practical bedside table, and a small wardrobe that stores the clothes we wear every day. In this way, we can create a more organized and more comfortable space. And the great thing is, all of this doesn't cost anything. Decluttering our space is not only free, but it can also instantly open up our bedrooms and make them feel more spacious. You'll feel the difference in no time. So, don't hesitate to start now. Create a simpler, calmer, and more functional space. Minimalism is about finding happiness in simplicity, not about having less, but about having only what we really need. A calm and cohesive color palette to create a minimalist and harmonious atmosphere. Color selection is very important. One of the first steps you can take is to paint the walls using neutral colors such as white, beige, or light gray. These colors not only give a clean and neat impression, but also create a space that feels more spacious and calm. In addition, you can choose simple yet elegant bedding and curtains in neutral colors such as white, gray, or cream. It doesn't have to be expensive. Bedding and curtains in these calming colors can be found at affordable prices, but they can do wonders in creating a relaxed, yet understated atmosphere. Dangan Palet Wana Yang Sederhana Dan Sarasi, Ruan, and Akan Terasa Lebih Kohesive. Mensiptaken atmosphere Yang Menanankan Dan Memudakan Pikiran and a Untuk Lebih Focus Dan Relax. Desain minimalist bukan hanya soul penatambaring. Tetapi juga bagaimana wana dapat memperkuat ketenangan dan kesederhanaan di ruangannya. We're going to share an easy way to save money and still create a cool minimalist look in your home by utilizing furniture that can be made yourself or repurposed. Start by making a simple bed using wooden pallets. You can get used wooden pallets for very cheap, often even free. Simply stack the pallets into a sturdy bed base, then add a comfortable mattress on top. Not only is this design cheap, it also gives a unique and minimalist look to your bedroom. If you have an old dresser that looks worn out, why not give it a new look? You can sand it down and repaint it in a neutral or natural color. This process doesn't cost much, but it will give your dresser a fresh, more modern look. It's a great way to cut down on waste and still keep a functional piece of furniture. And finally, for your nightstand or bedside table, you can use items you have around the house. Using a wooden crate or even a stack of books as a nightstand is a simple and inexpensive way to create functionality while still being minimalist. Try experimenting with different arrangements. The results are sure to please. Versatile furniture, perfect for a minimalist lifestyle. One of the best ways to save space is to use a bed that is storage. You can choose a bed with drawers underneath or a storage bed, which allows you to store items under the bed. This is ideal for storing rarely used items, such as extra blankets, winter clothes, or other items that require additional storage space, but still keep your room neat and organized. Also, a bench at the end of the bed can be a smart choice. This bench not only serves as an extra seat while you put on your shoes or relax, but it can also be used as a storage space. You can store blankets, extra pillows, or other items that you use often. This is a very practical and space-saving solution. By choosing furniture that has two functions, you not only save space, but also create a neater and more efficient room atmosphere without having to sacrifice functionality. Minimalist living is not just about reducing stuff, but also about using every available space wisely. Your minimalist bedroom using natural elements. This is an easy way to create a more comfortable and warm atmosphere without compromising the simplicity of minimalist design. To start, choose bedding such as sheets and blankets made of linen or cotton. These natural materials not only feel soft on the skin, but also provide a fresh and light natural feel to your bedroom. Textured linen or comfortable cotton can help you sleep better and create a more peaceful atmosphere. Next, don't forget to add wooden furniture to your bedroom. Furniture such as bedside tables, cabinets, or shelves made of wood can give a warm and natural impression, which is very suitable for minimalist style. You can also use rattan baskets for additional storage, which gives a natural and functional touch. Add natural fiber rugs to your floors, such as jute or sisal. These rugs are not only environmentally friendly, but they also provide a comfortable and warm texture underfoot. Choose rugs in neutral or natural colors to maintain a simple and harmonious look. Natural light can change the atmosphere of your bedroom, making it brighter, more spacious, and of course more minimalist. The first step you can take is to use thin curtains or sheer curtains. This type of curtain allows sunlight to enter freely, providing a bright and fresh feel without sacrificing your privacy. You can choose curtains in neutral or pastel colors to maintain a soft and light impression in the room. In addition, placing mirrors can also be a powerful trick to maximize natural light in your bedroom. Place mirrors in strategic locations, such as on walls facing windows. Mirrors will reflect incoming light, creating the effect of a wider and brighter space. This is a simple way to add more dimension to your bedroom without adding a lot of stuff. And last but not least, make sure the window area is free from clutter or unnecessary items. By keeping this area clean and tidy, natural light can flow freely into the room, creating an open and clean feel that is very typical of minimalist design. Adding a touch of style to your walls is by hanging a piece of art. Choose a picture or print that is displayed in a frame or on a canvas. It could be an illustration, a landscape, or even your favorite quote. This piece of art can be a focal point in your room without making it feel crowded. Just one piece of art that is right can add a touch of elegance and personality to your walls. For another alternative, you can make DIY decorations such as macrame wall hangings or simple wooden shelves. Macrame gives a light bohemian feel, while wooden shelves can function to store small items that are often used. Both of these decorations add texture and uniqueness to your space without making it feel crowded or cluttered. Plants are a great way to add a fresh, natural feel without spending a lot of money. Try starting with a small plant on your bedside table or dresser. Not only will greenery beautify your space, it will also create a calmer, more relaxing atmosphere, which is perfect for your bedroom. If you're just starting out, choose plants that are easy to care for like snake plants, pothos, or succulents. These plants are very durable, low maintenance, and can thrive with minimal attention. They're great for creating a natural atmosphere without the stress of caring for them. Also, if you want to save space, try hanging plants using macrame holders. This way, you can add more plants without taking up much floor space. In addition to adding greenery to your bedroom, macrame holders also add a unique and bohemian touch to your space. Plants bring life, serenity, and better air quality into your space, all at a very affordable cost. So, don't hesitate to add some greenery to your bedroom and reap the benefits. The right lighting can not only brighten up your space, but it can also set the mood you want. One of the easiest ways to create soft, calming lighting is by adding twinkle lights or LED strip lights. Both types of lights provide subtle ambient lighting, perfect for creating a relaxing, inviting atmosphere in your bedroom without being too bright or blinding. In addition, to give a modern touch to your bedroom, try replacing the table lamp with a more minimalist lamp design. Choose a lamp with a simple shape, neutral colors, and clean materials. This minimalist design lamp will blend easily into the room's decor and still provide enough lighting for your evening activities. If you're looking for another way to add warmth to your bedroom, try using battery-operated candles. They provide a soft glow that's similar to real candles, without the worry of flames or the recurring cost of candles. This is a very practical and safe way to create a cozy atmosphere in your bedroom. One of the main principles of minimalism is to choose quality over quantity. For example, instead of buying a bunch of cheap items that will wear out quickly, you can invest in one high-quality item. For example, choose a supportive mattress or durable sheets. By buying the better item, you will not only get more comfort, but you will also save money in the long run because the item will last longer. Next, choose timeless items that will never go out of style. This includes furniture or decor that stays relevant year after year and doesn't easily lose its style or function. Choosing items that always look good and are useful means you won't have to replace items constantly, which is more economical and environmentally friendly. And finally, it is very important to avoid impulse buying. As a minimalist, you only need to buy what you really need. This way, you can avoid clutter in your home and keep your life organized and focused on the things that matter most. Minimalism bukan hanya tentang mengurangi barang, tetapi tentang membuat keputusan yang lebih bijaksana dan terencana dalam hidup. Ini adalah tentang memilih kualitas, ketahanan, dan kedamaian daripada hal-hal sementara yang hanya memenuhi ruang. Now, at the end of this video, let's conclude. Creating a minimalist bedroom on a budget is actually not that difficult. The most important thing is to make wise choices and use creativity to create a clean and calming space without having to spend a lot of money. By focusing on simplicity, functionality, and natural elements, you can design a bedroom that not only feels peaceful and comfortable, but also looks beautiful. Choose functional and quality items, take advantage of natural lighting, and add a touch of green from plants. All of this can make your bedroom look fresher without having to spend a lot of money.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.